This thing is like so clean. Like it's like, and it's not restored. This is original except for the bull bumper. Super clean, 91. It's got the bull bumper on it, but there's really nothing really aftermarket on this thing. Like all straight, like just meticulously maintained and original. He's had it done. Those weather seals had to have been done. There's no way those weather seals. But look at this, how clean this is. This is insane. Man. Gorgeous. Everything is like almost new, like just new condition on this thing. Just insanely clean. Wow. So it's locked, but man, one day I'm gonna get mine to look this nice. Except for, you know, this one has that underpowered motor in it, but that's the only downfall of this. Now this is a really, really, really clean vehicle.